Welcome to MonroeMotors.com. Today we are featuring a 2009 Chevrolet Corvette C6 in torch red with black leather interior. This one here has some custom touches that I will point out. We'll start back here in the trunk compartment. You can see the condition of the carpet is nice and clean. Looks very tidy. We'll open up the compartment here, a spare compartment, as well as the other side here. And you got some spare lug nuts back here. You can put the removable top back here and it will clip in and stay steady here. I'm gonna go ahead and close up this trunk lid. I'm gonna go down here and scan the back trunk for you guys. I am seeing a couple scratch marks, swirl marks as we come along here in the back, but this car hasn't been polished yet, so most of that probably will come out. Stand back here to show you the condition of the rear. It does have LED taillights, which I'll show you on later on. It's got carbon fiber touches in the rear there. You can see that rear valance. And it does have quad Corsa tips, exhaust tips. So it sounds really good. Scanning down the side here, we'll start with the rear wheel. It does have the C7 Stingray Z51 wheels that are black. It also has slotted brake rotors and red calipers, so it looks really good. Scanning down the side here, as you can see, it looks very good. Down the door jambs here, nice and clean and tidy. Here's a scuff plate, looks like really good condition. Again, inside nice and tidy. Coming back here, the door panel looks like it's in great shape. I'm going to zoom in here a little bit here for you guys. It does have a lot of carbon fiber touches in the interior as well. You got your power locks, and your power windows on this side as well. Coming back here to the dash, here you got more carbon trim. He's added the red Corvette logo inside the Corvette embossment. Scanning down the dash here, you can see it's in great shape. It's nice and clean. Moving down to the floor mat, it's got custom Corvette Racing Floor Mats with the skull. Down here we have custom diamond stitching down the side. And I'll scroll up down the condition of the seat here for you guys. As you can see, it's in nice condition. Custom seats with diamond stitching and your Corvette embroidered in the headrest. Okay, we'll go ahead and shut this door here. We'll come down here. I'm gonna scan down here and show you that it's got carbon fiber skirts. A nice vent on the side there. Going down the side here, we got some carbon fiber side mirrors. Paint looks really good down the side here. Okay, here's the condition of the front wheel. Looks good. Moving into the engine bay, we have an LS3 engine. This one pumps out 430 horsepower from the factory. Nice clean and tidy engine bay. It also has an upgraded air raid filter. The hood bonnet insulation looks really good. It's got the Corvette logo embossed. And we'll come down the side here. It does have LED headlights, custom. They're kind of like the C7 style. Down here we have a carbon fiber splitter, and it's got the smoked out turn signals. I just want to show you down here the carbon fiber. There is some minor scuffing down here, and it looks like it rubbed a curb here, so there is a little bit of damage there, but it came with the car. We can remove that if you like, and we can put a factory condition for you guys on there. I'm going to go ahead and close the hood. I'm going to scan down here and show you the hood. Paint really looks great down here. I'm not seeing many scratches or stone chips, so that's good. Point out here, there's a couple little stone chips down here, very, very minor. To be expected on a car like this. that's low to the ground and it's driven. Got the turn signals that are smoked out. Here's the condition of the front wheel. Looks good. There's your vent. Okay, moving on to the driver's side. I would like to point out the roof as well. It's black, but it's got a wrap on it. So the wrap does have some minor scratches, but it does have red paint underneath. There's a nice little mark here. You can see the red paint showing through there. Kind of gives it a custom look with that wrap. Okay, moving down here to the door jambs. Show you nice and clean. Skid plate. I don't see many scuffs on it at all. Door jambs look nice and clean. Scrolling back here to the interior door panel, looks great. Again, some more carbon fiber trim. It's got your power door locks, power mirrors, and power windows. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and sit in the car, close it up, and show you some of the features here. I'll get this thing started for you guys. Show you the dash. So you got your oil, your temperature gauge, your oil pressure, your RPM gauge, your speedometer, your battery life, sorry guys, and your fuel gauge. On the odometer, we have 37,813 kilometers on this one. Down here we have your heads up display keys, and I don't know if you can see the green in front of me is your heads up display, and I can change the different modes in as well through these buttons over here. We have your dash lights, so I can dim them. Kind of hard to see on the video. Down here we have your fuel door and your trunk release. We have Bluetooth on the steering wheel on this side here, and this here has your functions for your audio controls. Over this side here, it doesn't have tilt. Push button engine start right here. Has a light sensitive mirror with your compass on the side there. Nice hood vents. It has your factory radio. It does have navigation. I'll show you with that. Agree. So there's your navigation. Back to music. Push the button here and that operates as well. Up here you can operate your CDs. The DVD is for your navigation. All right, so down here you have your auto temperature control for your climate. Down here we have some more controls for your auto temperatures. Open this compartment here, your ashtray and your cigarette lighter. Moving down here you have cup holders with Corvette symbols. Show you the condition of the e-brake. And here we have your console. It has a cord here for your phone. Over here you got your traction control button, and this one here is a manual 6-speed. It does have a Hindson short shifter, so it's more for sporty driving, and they are short, guys. Okay, up here above here, it's got a custom plaque here. It's kind of neat, displaying what the motor produces and what the car can do. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and open the door for here, give the engine a rev. Wow, that sounds really good, guys. All right, step out of the car, continue the tour. Let's step to the front here, guys, to show you what the headlights look like turned on. Nice and bright, kind of gives it a nice mean stance. All right, scrolling down the side here. Carbon fiber mirrors. Coming down here. Paint looks great. I don't see many scratches on this side. Here's the condition of your rear wheel, which looks great. Scan back to the rear again. There's your LED taillights. And we'll just take that sound in for now. Oh, that sounds great. Again, Corsa exhaust. Okay, here you go. There you go, guys. This is our 2009 Corvette 1S3, sorry. This one here is available at monroemotors.com. Come down and have a look and see for this one for yourself. We look forward to seeing you soon.